In the first process of checking the data quality or cleaning the data, we should inspect it. So let us discuss about how to inspect if our data has some quality or not, or whether our data is clean or not. So let us discuss about the inspect method. So in the inspect, we are going to identify the issues with our data, and it can be done using this concept. First is a profiling. So against a predefined set of constraints, we are going to profile our data. Next and popular method is visualization. So in the case of visualization, we are going to plot some diagrams, some bar chart, some diagram, and using those diagram, we are going to find whether our data is clean or not. For example, let us say that I am plotting the scatter plot, and I found that my data is scattered in this way. Most of the data has been bundled into one position. See here, in this position I have many data, and again I have some data that has been really way off from this cluster of data. These data, they are very much far from our bundle of data. Now this is what we can inspect using visualization technique. Now we can find maybe these data are outliers. These are not proper data maybe. So that is what we can do using the visualization. We can also use some other automated tools, maybe some programming language, some library that is available in Python to check whether we have some issues with data or not. For that, we can use something called as scikit-learn. So using this scikit-learn library, inside this scikit-learn we have a module called as pre-processing. So using this pre-processing module, we can check whether we have some issues with the data or not. And that is the first process, which is to inspect whether we have some issues with the data or not.